Health officials are raising concerns about a growing number of children not getting critical vaccines before starting kindergarten. Fox 43's Matt Kleinitz joins us now to break down the numbers of this trend.
Well, Evan, new data from the Pennsylvania Department of Health released this week reveals that kindergarten vaccination rates for diseases like measles are just below 95%. Doctors I spoke with attribute the decrease to growing vaccine skepticism, which could put more communities at risk for disease outbreaks. Medical officials are sounding the alarm as vaccination rates among children continue to decrease across the Commonwealth. According to the Pennsylvania Department of Health, kindergarten vaccination rates for all 5 required vaccines hovered above 95% during the 2020-2021 school year. By 2023-2024, those vaccination rates decreased at least 1% across the board.
It's not surprising. This is something which we are seeing every day in our practices.
Dr. Christopher Russo with WellSpan Health says the numbers reflect a growing trend being seen across the country. He attributes the decline to vaccine misinformation that spread during the COVID pandemic.
One of the things we're seeing now is an outgrowth of that, where parents are maybe reluctant to go to sources that they once considered trustworthy.
Dr. Jessica Erickson, a pediatric infectious disease specialist with Penn State Health, says a growing number of children in the region are being sent to the hospital with vaccine-preventable illnesses. She says many of those cases are infants with whooping cough.
These young babies are getting whooping cough from their kindergarten or school-age older siblings.
She adds that communities could be at greater risk for disease outbreaks like measles if vaccination rates continue to drop below 95%.
Especially immunocompromised people or people who can't get vaccines for medical reasons, they're really not protected by their friends and neighbors anymore in the way that they would be.
Doctors say they're focused on working with concerned families to give children the vaccines they need to stay healthy.
Our providers are more than happy to have these conversations. We want to have these conversations to understand questions that folks have.
In a statement to Fox 43, the Pennsylvania Department of Health says they're working closely with healthcare providers and school nurses to promote the importance of childhood vaccines. Evan?
All right, Fox 43's Matt Kleinitz. Matt, thank you so much.